Romulus and Remus. The city of Rome was born on the banks of the Tiber River in about 750 BC. At that time, there were various Greek cities that had settled on the coast of the Italian peninsula. And Rome, which was still very small, like a newborn child, began to grow by copying the model of these flourishing Greek city-states. The influence of the Greek cities was so strong over the Romans that they claimed to have descended from the heroes of the Trojan War. Two of the main heroes were Achilles and Hector. But the Romans said they were related to Hector, that is, to the Trojans. The story goes that Aeneas, a Trojan hero who was the son of Venus and later abandoned the burning city of Troy, traveled for thousands of kilometers until finally settling on the Italian peninsula, where one of his sons built a new kingdom. Many years later, twins were born. Romulus and Remus were descendants of Aeneas. This meant that they would one day grow up to rule the kingdom. But their ambitious uncle, King Amulius, decided to abandon them in a basket on the banks of the Tiber River, so he could continue ruling instead. The legend goes that they were found by a mother wolf named Lupa, who discovered the two newborn boys and suckled them as if they were her own cubs to keep them alive. When Romulus and Remus got older, they wanted to found a city. But the two brothers got into a fight over the city, and Remus died. Romulus became king and founded the city, naming it after himself, Romulus, Rome. The legend of the founding of Rome says that Romulus was a son of Mars, the god of war, which meant that powerful and aggressive blood flowed through his veins. But it is also said that Aeneas, their great-great-grandfather, had been the son of Venus, the goddess of love and beauty.
Let's just say that I, Romulus, and all Romans were the result of an explosive mix. War and love.